promise by the end of this video you will understand why you should always watch out for the 7 deadly sins of sloth. Most people don't really know that sloth is the first deadly sin, that you must have first to birth any other sins. When people have extreme lot scenes, they will want it much into easy. Whether it's money, a significant other, cars, or even food. Sloth is the key ingredient in the creation of the destruction of wealth. But let's talk about how extreme laziness can destroy your financial future. We all know this one sentence. If you knew what you wanted to know now, I would be rich. But is that really true now that you know what you know? Are you rich? Most of us would say no, even today when knowing far more. Others will still surpass you. But they don't have to. Watch till the end so you can have the secret to how others are gaining wealth while you stand still. Let's not think about Warren Buffett. When he gives his life story, he always makes sure to say that he got rich later on in life. Not when he was young. This one statement is very crucial when it comes to growing your finances. Even when he gives advice on wealth building, he never says to do a risky investment. But why? Well, it is because there are many lessons that you need to learn while you gain riches. Let's say that you wanted to buy old junker cars. Fix and resell them to get a little extra cash. Well, you can't just start fixing a car without any education on cars. The potential that you can cause more damage and waste more money than you intended. I know what you're thinking, but you're putting in the work, right? So how can this be sloth? Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's all about wanting things to fast and to easy. Sloth has nothing to do with lying down on the couch and eating chips all day. It's all about rushing through something without putting in the right type of work. I mean, you can find skinny people who are just as lazy as large one. So what should you do to solve this problem? Let's look at fixing cars again to see how we can gain millions with the same amount of time. Now that you have taken sloth out of the picture, you can clearly see that you'll need to study up on cars and how to fix them before you even pick up a wrench. Instead of just picking up a junker car, you take your time and pick a car that you can actually fix. This is called cost effectiveness. Making sure that you don't go too far is the key. Understanding your limits is the other one. This reduces the cost because it causes less mistakes and doesn't drain your resources because of trying to get too much. Now let's go back to Warren Buffett. All Mr. Buffett makes good decisions, which makes him a lot of money. This is the same for anything with your life. For example, hoarding is a result of wanting too much, thinking that it will serve a purpose, but it doesn't. This is all sloth, so take back your future and stay tuned for the other deadly sins. Tell us other ways that understanding sloth can help in the comments below. Like or subscribe to our channel and share this video with everyone you know. See you soon.